So you're going to find stream, and you're going to click over to my content, go into your channel, and your channel will pop up. Mine's Martin's Tech Tutorial. You're looking for 6 sewing tutorials. You're going to click on it, and then you are going to want to upload. So you can click here, but select more files. And then you're going to find, let's say it's this, you're going to open it, and then you're going to rename it. You can describe it, you can keep it English. The permissions we went through were good. Your options, noise suppression, and then you're going to publish it. I already have mine published. And then you will have it uploaded. Yay!